Good morning, dear students. In this video, we will see how Chuskit of Ladakh started going to school. Today is Monday and it is time for Bittu to go to school. But Bittu is not ready yet. He is still laying in his bed. His grandpa says, Bittu, you are not ready yet? You don't want to go to school today? Bittu said, Grandpa, today I will not go to school. His grandfather asked, But why? Have you done your homework today? Bittu says, No, Grandpa, I have done my homework. But yesterday I scored too many runs in cricket, due to which I have to run a lot. Maybe that's why my legs are paining today. His grandfather says, Then you have to carry stick like me. Students, do you ever have trouble going to school? Why does it happen? Bittu's grandpa said, Pain is in your feet is nothing. Some children cannot even use their feet, but still they go to school. Bittu asked, But then how do they go to school? Grandpa said, Bittu, don't you know about Chuskit? Bittu says, Chuskit? Who is that? Grandpa said, Let me tell you about Chuskit. Chuskit lived in Skitpopul village in Ladakh. There was a school in the village which was very close to her house. All the children used to attend the school, but Chuskit did not attend the school, even though she was 10 years old. Bittu asked, But why, Grandpa? Students, do you know why Chuskit didn't go to school? Do you know about any child around you who does not go to school? Why doesn't he or she go to school? Grandpa said to Bittu, She had a problem in her leg since birth, because of which she could never walk. That's why she could not even go to school. Bittu said, Oh grandpa, but what it she do at home all day? Chuskit used to make drawing sitting near her window, and Bittu, she made beautiful drawings. Bittu said, But still grandpa, it might be frustrating for her to sit all day in the same place. Grandpa said, Right, Bittu. Even Chuskit Abale thought so. Asked his grandpa, Abale, who is this? Grandpa said, In Ladakh, father as Abale and mother as Amale. In Ladakh, they called their father as Abale and mother as Amale. In Ladakh, Papa and Mummy are called Abale and Amale. By what name do you call your father and mother? Grandpa said to Bittu. Abale brought Chuskit to a wheelchair so that she could go everywhere on her own. She started using it to roam around her home. Have you ever seen a chair with wheels? Why do you think people use it? Grandpa said to Bittu. Chuskit was very happy after getting the wheelchair, but every morning when she saw the children going to school, seeing those children, she also felt like going to school. She used to be sad. Bittu asked to his grandpa, What did Chuskit do then? One day Abdul came to Chuskit's house to give a letter. Abdul asked Chuskit the reason for not going to school. Chuskit told him that her father could not pick her up every day and take her to school every day, and she could not go to school by herself, even if she wants to, because the way to the school is bumpy and there is also a river on the way, which is difficult to cross. Bittu asked to his grandpa, then what did Abdul do? Upon hearing all this, Abdul decided take Jaskit to school. If you were place of Abdul, what would have you done to take Jaskit to school? Abdul talked to the school children and teachers about this. Then one day a group of all children labeled the ground of in front of Jaskit's house, and the other group leveled the ground near the river, and with the help of teachers they laid a wooden bridge on the river, which is made easier for justice to cross the river, and by the time it was evening they finished this work. Also, Bittu said, "Wow, they did all work in one day," Grandpa said. "Yes, Bittu, if you do some work diligently, even difficult things could done quickly," Bittu said. "I understood this, Grandpa." "Did Chaskit go to school then?" Grandpa said. "Yes, Bittu." Chaskit was very happy to see all this, and the next day she started moving her wheelchair to school. Her father and mother were also happy to see all this. Bittu was very surprised to learn about Chaskit's struggle. Bittu began to think that is Justice could goes to school in spite having leg problem, then why could he go to school with only pain in his leg? Bittu said to his grandpa, "Chaskit is very brave. She goes to school in spite having her leg problem. I will also go to school every day like Chaskit from today." Grandpa said, "That's right, but Bittu, if you are in lot of pain, then you don't have to go to school." Bittu said, "No, Grandpa, it is not paining that much how." Grandpa said, "Then go and take quick shower and get ready for school." आई होप आज का कंटेंट आप लोगों को अच्छे तरीके से समझ में आया होगा। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।